Okay, so welcome to today's lesson. In our previous lesson, I taught you about how to use your do, your fa, and your so, how to play it. That was where we ended, how to play your do, your fa, and your so. Okay, and I said in our next video, I'll teach you how to use it, how to play a song using your do, your fa, and your so. So before I dive into it, now get this. Any song you hear people singing, you can use your do, your fa, and your so to play it. Okay, you can use your do, your fa, and your so to play it. Any other chord you're hearing is just replacement, in which after this video, our next video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. Okay, so in this my lesson, I really want to break it down so it can be very, very easy for you. So any song you can play with your do, your fa, and your so, just know it very well that when it's time for me to start showing you the replacement, it will be very, very easy for you to play. Okay, so I'll be singing the song, It Is Well. So it is well, it is well with my soul. So just my do, my fa, and my so. It is well, it is well with my soul. It is well, it is well with my soul. So just my do, my fa, and my so. So the right hand, the same thing. It is well, it is well with my soul. Just my right hand. Okay, so you can see that just my do, my fa, and my so is already sounding well. It is well, it is well with my soul. So my two hands, it will sound like this. Two hands. It is well, it is well with my soul. So I'm using just my do, my fa, and my so. So imagine as a learner, just yourself as a learner, you don't know how to play and you're already using your do and your fa to play a song. It means that there is improvement. Okay, so let me still try it with another song. Okay, the song is I need thee, oh I need thee. Sorry about that. Every hour I need thee. Oh, bless me now, my Savior. I come to thee. So just my do, my fa, and my so. Okay, so if you know you're still learning, you can't hold your chord very well. You can learn it first with just your left hand, which is I need thee, oh I need thee. Every hour I need thee. Oh, bless me now, my Savior. I come to thee. Don't mind my voice, okay? Don't mind my voice. This is just for learning purpose. So it's just for learning purpose. So when you're done with your left hand, you try it with your right hand, the same thing. I need thee, oh I need thee. Every hour I need thee. Oh, bless me now, my Savior. I come to thee. Then you can now play it with your right and your left hand, which is I need thee, oh I need thee. Every hour I need thee. Oh, bless me now, my Savior. I come to thee. So if you watch very well, it's just my do, my fa, and my so. Okay, so I can even do, let me just do one more song. So, trust and obey, for there's no other way to be happy in Jesus but to trust and obey. Okay, so just do fine and so trust and obey, for there's no other way to be happy in Jesus but to trust and obey. So the good thing about this thing is, if you're in a choir and you can sing part like your alto and your tenor, especially the bass, you discover that it becomes very easy for you to play, because most of the things you'll be humming with your mouth is just what you'll be playing with your hand. Okay, so trust and obey, for there's no other way to be happy in Jesus but to trust and obey. And another secret I want to give you is this: make sure you listen to a lot of songs. It will help you when you're learning. And when you're listening to this song, you want to learn the chord. Don't focus on what the right hand is playing. It might be difficult for some people to figure it out. Just concentrate on what the bass is playing. If you can be able to get what the bassist is playing, which is your doom, doom, or doom, 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 doom. If you can, they are singing. If they can be singing and you're using your mouth to play the stuff, okay? If they are singing and you're using your mouth to play, it becomes very, very easy for you to know what they are doing. Okay, so very, very important. Trust and obey, for there's no other way to be happy in Jesus but to trust and obey. Okay, so in the next video now, I'll be teaching you there are some things you can use to replace your fa. There are some notes you can use to replace your sol, and there are some notes you can use to replace your do. So make sure practice on this one. Practice this one very, very well. When you're done, you go to the next video. You'll see the next what to do to replace your do, your fa, and your sol. Okay, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you very much.